Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at, well, Nvidia first of all in semiconductors, and I'll then also take you over other semiconductors: AMD, ARM, Broadcom, SMCI, Micron, and all of those. So with that, let's jump right into it. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion. Alright, hit the like and subscribe as well, guys, if you find my videos valuable and helpful. Alright, so Nvidia, let's start off with that. If you have been seeing my videos over the weekend, you are already prepared, but let's get you going again. So, we have a red candle coming in today, which right now, as in the overall structure on Nvidia, guys, is just a pullback. And I'll show you on lower time frame couple of things in just a second where that even the rebound is coming. But so yeah, as long as we are above 125 and 58 cents area, technically structure on Nvidia is still bullish. But this now today, the red candle as it's coming, is this a deeper pullback until then? Or what type of cool off is it? So for that, let's jump into the hourly interval. So now we are getting this cool off on the intraday. And you can see that as one of the levels that I mentioned, that this would be it, 129 and 69 cents area over the weekend video. We are finding still a structural support over there as for intraday, and intraday rebound is coming, right? So for example, you have a 50 hours moving average as a support here as well, together with that level that my indicator has already marked, which was there before the market even started its thing, 129 and 80 cents around. So from here? Well, whenever we have a falling day and then the level is holding as how we expected, that's the time to take the position. So let me take the 5 minutes interval. So when you see that level, the level that we are targeting, have a bounce or a hold, and then it's holding over there, right? You can start to play intraday, a little bit of scalps at least, right? And if this rebound continues, then at this time, you need to see Nvidia break above 131 and 90 cents. If we can get above it, it will continue higher, all right? However, yes, this also becomes an area of potential rejection, pretty much this level of 131 and 87 cents. Because if this starts to fall from here, rejecting, that means that rebound that's what it is, at least in the intraday fashion. And we might again test this lower end 129 and 75 cents. In my opinion, as long as we maintain, well, first of all, that's the area to watch. We still found support there as expected, and we are bouncing up from there. Now, as I gave you another level, 131, which is very closely 131 and 50 cents or so forth, which is very coincidentally also overlapping with the 20 days moving average, sorry, 20 hours moving average, which means this can act as an underneath overhead resistance as well. So this is the area you are closely watching as well, because if we do that and we start to come lower at that time, like this rebound, at least on intraday, as on the swing, I still like the structures 125 and 58 cents is still just a pullback area, but intraday pullbacks and cool-offs may continue, right? So yes, if we reject underneath of 20 hours moving average, fails to go higher, then we will again come down to 129 and 76 cents. And at that time, if we lose 50 hours moving average and that area, then yes, we can come down to that next zone of 126 and 89 cents. So take the profits in the extensions, right? And then you can wait for the pullbacks as long as the structure stays bullish, with the stop loss on definitely the other side. So it's all about sizing in, sizing out. As on intraday, yes, today is a falling day, but we are finding a rebound at one of our levels as expected. Intraday, anything you can trade up or down based off of the price action and the rejection. You can see when we lost one of the levels, 20 hours moving average, that's a continuation to the downside. And then, yeah, accordingly, a rebound is coming at the level as expected. And then, as mentioned also on my weekend videos. Now, it's all about, can it continue this rebound higher, right? So And that's that. And otherwise, as if it come lowers and then finally break 129 and 74 cents, there you can expect another much more leg of cool off. But remember, this is the level, 125 and 58 cents. Until then, this is just a pullback on the overall structure on Nvidia. Intraday, yeah, intraday cool offs, a short can be traded, or you can just wait for a pullback and accordingly play a play. But yeah, take partial profits here because time to take positions were over here as well in these pivots, right? So technically, just like my swing bot. So if I show you my swing bot, and yeah, just like it gave the buy positions back then, right? Like that's the time to take these swing positions. Where's the buy? Down there. There's the buy. And then since then, my bot has also given this take partial profits target. So yeah, and the position is still running and it's still open. So yeah, that's the way to trade it, guys. But yeah, anyways, just sharing here. That's pretty much it. Okie dokie. Well, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. Okay. So that's Nvidia, guys. All right. Let's go. So yeah, watch very carefully this level. If we can't break above this, so yes, we are getting that rebound as expected. And but if we can't break above 131 and 86 cents, yeah, that is still a weakness. But then yeah, so that's why I take some partial profits out in these rebounds as well. You know, intraday rebounds of such type and the structure is already downtrending, you know, is always like a scalp or near-term trades. Anyways, okay, that's Nvidia, guys. So wow, spent too much time, but it was important to explain. All right, now let's go to AMD. So AMD, well guys, if you have seen my over the weekend videos, here I said that AMD bulls could be in trouble. I did a lot of videos, so if you haven't checked those out, check those out as well. And so yeah, bulls could be in trouble, and so are they. Well, I also have an update that I mean to also provide in a separate AMD video that I'll do today. And that is I took some more partial profits out today, and down here I'm left like 35% of my original position now. And yeah, so but yeah, that's that, guys. Structure on this is still bearish, and yeah, and I expect this thing to continue lower. I'll talk more about it in separate AMD video. ARM. So ARM, as I mentioned over the weekend as well, that it's just going to be a pullback. Well, if any pullback comes, right, this sell-off is not like it's just going to reverse from here. You can see today any pullback came, got bought back up as well. And so yeah, it has still a structural support at 149 and 74 cents, or $150 in other words. Broadcom, another leg up, continuing higher, and I have been saying that Broadcom, here you go. Okay, let me show you Broadcom. More highs are coming. I did this video over the weekend. If you already saw it, you are prepared. And then ARM, sell off at all-time highs, but wait, that's the video I did on ARM over the weekend as well, and that's what I just showed you, that that's just a pullback. It's still a support zone. If you'll see that video, you will understand what I meant. And so is Broadcom. All right, SMCI, I'll do a separate video as well on SMCI, but if you have seen my over the weekend video, I was talking about, is this pullback a buy, which in my case, as I explained in the video, it was. Check this video out and look at it. Today, that was just a pullback, guys, right? As I said, that's just a pullback. We still have a structural support at this blue box, and that's what I have been saying after this green candle, that anything into this blue box is just a support, and you can see that we got pulled back over there and shot back up, shooting back up, right? So yeah, that's that. Micron structure has been always bullish, guys. I have been saying this. Yeah, this is still going up and up and up. I have done a video on this as well over the weekend. Pullback or sell-off? Well, the conclusion was just a pullback. So I have to type these titles so that, you know, yeah, something to intrigue, you know, your curiosity. Yeah, so yeah, Micron, it's still bullish. It's still bullish. There is no structure to the downside. If from here it has to become downside, it has to first break 139 and 68 cents. Am I seeing that happening? No. Yeah, Micron is full on bullish, guys. SoundHound AI. I talked about this as well over the weekend. So I'm already in the short play with this thing and still holding the short on this. So yeah, this is still a falling knife for me. All right, well, guys, that's it for this video. Look at it. Nvidia, just before wrapping up, it looks like, yeah, it's doing fine for the day. Yeah, yeah, our levels are still holding as, okay. That's what, is the plan. So that's how you trade with those rebounds and areas. Tesla looking awesome. I'll do another video today on this. Just before wrapping up, wanna quickly show QQ and SPY. QQ's all-time highs. I have been saying that this is not bearish in no form or fashion. It's just gonna continue higher. We are bullish, and so is SPY bullish. I'll talk more about it in a separate video. But anyways, this is it for this. If you found this helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. With that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.